Today I want to talk about leaky gut. Food enters the stomach, and after it has been mixed with the stomach acid, it enters the small intestine. In the lining of the small intestine, you find those villi, finger-like projections called villi. Our gut is not built like a water hose that's smooth inside. Here you see the villi. They reach into the food. Those villi contain blood vessels and lymph vessels. On top of the villi, you see microvilli. As you can see, those little cells, they are close to each other and it's one cell wall thick. Those villi build the gut lining. On the left, you see them connected, as it should be in a healthy gut. When they come separated from each other, they leak larger proteins through. And those proteins will be transported to the liver through the hepatic portal vein. Those larger undigested proteins clog up the liver, which has a negative influence on your metabolism and disrupts the conversion of the thyroid hormone T4 into T3. With a lack of T3, you can feel tired and gain weight, as well as lose hair. But you also could experience brain fog with the inability to think clearly. As you can see, if you want to keep your body healthy, you need to take care of your gut by starting to eat healthy food. My motto is eat what God puts on the table. In addition, you can take spore-based probiotic called Megaspore. It survives the stomach by 100% and modifies and stimulates the immune system. In order to build up the mucosal layer in the gut, you can take Mega Mucosa and Mega Prebiotic to feed the beneficial bacteria and only those. You find those products in the link in the description. You also can download PDFs for each of those products from my website. I'll link it.